Hey guys, and welcome back to Joseph. Today we are going to be replacing the washer fluid sprayer right here. And today I have my little prong puller, and today we are going to be doing it right here, the passenger side. So let's get started, shall we? We put this right here, and we start removing the clips first. These are a little wicked to get up, but they come up after about 50 torque. No, I'm joking. That's just a little joke. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4 clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that right there? Now I'm going to get the third one. Put them in my pocket so they don't get lost. Come on. And be careful not to scratch your car unless you want your car to be scratched or you think it's a fancy. Now that we have this up, we're gonna have to move it back, and then we go back and then to the right a little, like I just did. Then we go on the other side and we disconnect the wiper fluid hose. Now be careful not to strip it. There we go. See, the old one's here. We put that over here on our tool bench. We put this right up there so we don't lose it, and we reinstall the new one. There we go. Reinstalled the fluid, the wiper. No, not the wiper. We reinstalled it. Okay. And then we connect the little hose to the little latch. We put it under. Oh, right. Other way. There we go. Hold on a second. Oh, there we go. Just need to be popped back in place. Now you line them up, then you put your prongs back in. Be careful to put all the right clips in the right places, or else you'll have water spraying out you every time you go on the highway. You don't want that, guys, okay? This last one's a bit of a toughie. Okay, there we go. We reinstalled a brand new one. So now let's test it out. But wait, we close the hood because we don't want a fire or smoke or steam. So we take this down, and then we put our prop rod down, not slamming on the little battery that's charging my GoPro. 1 click, 2 click. Then we put that on the hood. Angle it and try it out. Putting the performance chip back. Testing! See, we fixed it in less than 10 minutes. Saying if you bought that or replaced that at the dealership, you'd be paying for $100 worth in labor. So I'm glad that I saved you guys some money, and this is for a 2003 Saturn Vue. It should be regular for all the models since 02 to 07, not the 2008 or 2009 or frankly kind of like the 2010s or the Captiva, Chevy Captiva 2015. So I'm glad you guys watched this, and share it to your friends who have Saturns. So see you guys next time on Vady's Repair Channel. Not Repair Channel, Vady's Repair by Vady Joseph.